Off the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might justify. Fucking night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wasn't mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a day and count.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am trying on this Love Me hair wig. They sent me this beautiful brown chocolatey colored wig and I am absolutely in love. Like I said so many times, this is literally my favorite hair color right now, and this one specifically because it's a little bit darker brown, it's just a dream. It's beautiful. It came with a little package with like goodies inside, just lashes and hoops and nails, real cute. And this is how it looks on the inside. It's basically a 5x5 closure wig, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do a glueless install with this wig. So this wig comes with a adjustable strap, as you guys saw, that it can be removed or you can keep it on. For the glueless wig, I'm gonna keep it on and I'm gonna adjust it to my head, and then I'm gonna put the wig on. After putting the wig on, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. I did put foundation on the lace so it can match my skin tone a little better. You guys can see how great this lace is. Literally half of it is off and you can barely tell. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish cutting all the lace, and then I'm gonna take my face powder and I'm gonna work with a small brush on blending in the lace a little bit more into my skin. Not that it's needed, but it's an extra step that you can take if you want to. I'm also gonna work on my part. I'm also gonna put a little bit of powder on my part with the same brush. I'm just gonna squeeze it to make sure it's thinner, and I'm just gonna make my part look more natural per se. But yeah guys, like this is so easy. Like Love Me Hair has mastered the glueless wig business. They have the best glueless wigs. They are comfortable, they come ready to wear. All you have to do is these minimal touches before going out with your girls or whatever you have going on, and you literally just have to do these little few extra touches, but it comes ready to wear. They're comfortable. The strap is adjustable. The lace, it's basically non-existent because you can't even tell. And yeah, and they come styled as well. I didn't even have to style this hair because it came styled. And yeah guys, this is everything for this video. As you guys can see, it was very simple and short, and that was the point of this video. It was to show how easy and quick it is to install a wig, a glueless wig from Love Me Hair. And yeah guys, this is everything. I'm gonna link everything on my description box, also my social media accounts, so we can stay in touch. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it very helpful. See you guys on my next video. Love you so much. Mwah. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment what you think about this hair and the video in general, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.